Rapper A$AP Rocky declines a plea deal on the eve of the start of his trial.
Why A$AP Rocky rejected a plea deal inside the trial that could change his life. The stakes are high as Rakim Mayers, widely known as A$AP Rocky, steps into a Los Angeles courtroom to face 2 felony charges of assault with a semi-automatic firearm. The charges arise from a November 2021 confrontation with his former friend and A$AP Mob collaborator, Terrell Efron, better known as A$AP Relly. This case has captured widespread attention, not only because of Rocky's global fame but also due to the complex legal, racial, and societal issues it highlights. Today we'll take a deep dive into the case, exploring the rapper's decision to reject a plea deal, the events that led to this trial, the controversies surrounding jury selection, and what this trial means for both A$AP Rocky and the broader justice system. Who is A$AP Rocky? A look at the rapper's rise to fame. To fully understand the significance of this trial, it's important to appreciate A$AP Rocky's background and cultural impact. Born on October 3, 1988, in Harlem, New York, Rakim Mayers grew up in a challenging environment. He lost his father to incarceration at a young age and tragically lost his older brother to gun violence. These early struggles shaped his outlook and inspired his dedication to music. Rocky's breakthrough came in 2011 with the release of his mixtape Live Love $8 featuring hits like Peso and Purple Swag. His unique blend of Southern hip-hop influences, fashion-forward aesthetic, and charismatic personality quickly catapulted him to fame. By 2013, he released his debut studio album, Long Live A$AP, which debuted at #1 on the Billboard 200. As a key member of the A$AP Mob collective, Rocky became a global icon, not just in music but also in fashion, where he forged partnerships with brands like Dior and Gucci. His star power makes this trial not just a legal battle but a headline-grabbing cultural moment. What led to the charges? The alleged 2021 incident. The roots of this legal drama trace back to November 2021. Reports suggest that tensions had been brewing between Rocky and Efron for some time. Efron, who performed as A$AP Relly within the A$AP Mob, claims that a heated argument escalated into violence. According to the prosecution, Rocky allegedly pulled out a firearm and fired 2 shots in Efron's direction. While no one was injured in the incident, Efron claims the experience left him traumatized. He later filed a civil lawsuit against Rocky, seeking damages for emotional and physical distress. Rocky's defense team has denied these allegations, questioning Efron's credibility and suggesting financial motives behind his claims. Notably, law enforcement was unable to recover a firearm, and forensic evidence connecting Rocky to the scene has not been presented. These gaps in evidence will likely play a pivotal role in the trial. The plea deal that Rocky rejected. In August 2022, Rocky was formally charged with 2 counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm. Prosecutors offered him a plea deal that included 180 days in jail, 3 years of probation, and other conditions. While accepting the deal might have reduced Rocky's legal risks, his attorney, Joe Tacopina, revealed that Rocky turned it down because he believes he is innocent. "This isn't about taking the easy way out," Tacopina said in a statement. "It's about standing up for the truth." The decision to proceed to trial is a bold move, especially considering the potential consequences. If convicted, Rocky faces up to 24 years in prison, a sentence that could drastically alter the course of his life and career. As the trial began, attention quickly turned to the jury selection process, which has faced sharp criticism for its lack of racial diversity. Out of 106 prospective jurors, only 4 were black, a glaring disparity in a city as diverse as Los Angeles. Civil rights leader Reverend Al Sharpton took to social media to highlight this issue, calling the process absolutely ridiculous and questioning how Rocky could receive a fair trial under these circumstances. "He deserves to be judged fairly by his peers, as is his constitutional right," Sharpton tweeted. "When we have 4 black people in the city of Los Angeles out of 106, and exactly 0 within the first 30 possible candidates for the jury, something appears to be very wrong with the system." The lack of representation has reignited discussions about systemic inequities in the criminal justice system, particularly regarding jury selection in high-profile cases. Despite the tension in the courtroom, there was an unexpected moment of levity during jury selection. Rocky's mother, Renee Black, and sister, Erica B., were in attendance, showing their unwavering support. At one point, Los Angeles County Superior Court Judge Mark S. Arnold commented on Black's youthful appearance. "You must have had him when you were about 7, the judge joked. Black clarified she was 26 when she gave birth to Rocky, prompting Arnold to remark, "You are very beautiful." That's on the record. While the exchange brought some smiles, it underscored the high-profile nature of the trial, with even small moments drawing public interest. The broader implications of this trial. The outcome of this trial will have far-reaching consequences. For A$AP Rocky, a conviction could mean not only a lengthy prison sentence but also a significant setback to his career. The rapper, who is also a father to 2 young children with global superstar Rihanna, has much to lose. Beyond Rocky's personal stakes, the case has become a flashpoint for larger discussions about race, celebrity, and the legal system. Many view this trial as a test of whether a high-profile black celebrity can receive a fair trial in a system that has often been criticized for its biases. What's next? The trial is expected to last several weeks, with both the prosecution and defense presenting evidence and calling witnesses. Key testimony is likely to come from Efren, whose credibility will be under intense scrutiny. Rocky's defense team will also focus on the lack of physical evidence, including the absence of a firearm and forensic links. As the trial unfolds, it will be closely watched not only by fans but also by legal experts, activists, and those concerned with issues of justice and equity. A$AP Rocky's decision to reject a plea deal and fight these charges in court is a defining moment in his life and career. Whether the trial results in exoneration or conviction, its impact will be felt far beyond the courtroom. For now, the world watches as one of hip-hop's brightest stars faces the fight of his life.